Hey guys, I'm at the airport on my way to my last business meeting for my day job for a client in Jersey. I have an executive strategy meeting and I'm going to take you guys along with me so that you can see a day in the life of a marketing executive. So let's go. So just to immediately correct myself, this is my last business meeting for my day job of this year. I actually travel a lot for work, so pre-check is an absolute must for me. And I honestly don't mind the travel because from time to time I get to go to some pretty cool places and then extend those business trips into mini vacations. But this trip will be a quick same-day turnaround, which means this will be a very long day, so I'll definitely need some coffee to keep me going. And between getting to the airport pretty late and stopping at Starbucks, I'm usually one of the last ones to board in my group. But you know what? I've never missed a flight for work, so if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? No, I'm just playing. I'm gonna do better next year, y'all. Yes, I still wear my mask when I fly because nobody coughs more than people on airplanes. So I just landed in Jersey, now to catch a ride to my client's office for the strategy meeting that starts in about an hour and a half, and we're doing really good on time so I can sit back, relax, and get a few selfies. And my driver was hella annoyed. I'm like, why? Just let me live back here, you know? I get to the client's office with about 45 minutes to spare, which gives me time to freshen up and set up before we get started with this 4-hour meeting, which sounds really long, but it actually goes by pretty fast. And of course, for confidentiality purposes, I can't take you into the meeting with me, but here's a selfie while we were on a 15-minute break. And if you look at the bottom right corner of this picture, you'll see what's left of my lunch. So we ordered in from 3 West. I was starving, smashed, and forgot to get a picture of the food when it was all pretty and set up. I'm so sorry, but it was delicious. And if you're ever in Jersey, I'd highly recommend it. And here are some holiday gifts from my clients. Love them. And I will be popping that bottle of Moet for New Year's Eve. So that one's right on time. Quick team picture before heading back to the airport for my flight home. So we managed to miss traffic on the way back to the airport, so I had a little time to burn, so I figured I'd stun a little bit and take y'all into the United Club Lounge with me while we waited for my flight home, and humbled. Got turned away at the front desk. So apparently this location isn't currently taking one-time passes, and if that wasn't embarrassing enough, they also wanted to point out that there was a huge sign right at the entrance saying that they weren't currently taking one-time passes, which I completely missed, but I'm not even mad at United, you know, their policy is their policy, but I am a little disappointed in all of y'all because y'all were right there with me and nobody said anything before I walked in there all confident just to be looking crazy. But you know what? I'm past it. Let's move on. So at this point, I'm just looking for some place to sit down, grab a quick drink, and relax before my flight home. And the Jersey airport has these bars all over where you can just scan a QR code to order your drink, and a server will just mysteriously emerge from the shadows with your beverage. It's pretty futuristic and cool. I do recommend. So that's basically it. The day in the life of a marketing executive, a long day. So thanks for hanging out with me, but I'm going to end the video here. My flight home leaves in about an hour, so I'm going to sit back, relax, let this mimosa do what it needs to do. My name is Amber Harris. I'm your marketing consultant, and I'll see you next time.